Chelsea. Hey guys, I'm doing a video about my new furnace. I got a propane torch for it. I'll show you that now, but I'm trying to melt copper, so I just want to show you how hot this thing can get. Look at that! Alright, let's wait. I think it's starting to melt. Oh yeah, wow. It is noisy over there. Wow, there's molten copper in that crucible. This is insane. I can't believe I have molten copper. Oh my gosh. Well, I'd show you guys pouring an ingot, but I can't hold molten copper in the camera. Sorry. But let's keep watching this furnace. Wow, the heat coming off of that furnace is so hot that even with a rod like 2 feet long, it's still burning my hands. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you later.